with the big props on and without the landing gear. Oh yeah, nice. That thing does look smart. You've got a strip down, much slicker looking. Imagine this is one big fat racer quad, isn't it? Basically, you've taken everything off it, and we're just going to give it a go with the nice big props on it and just see how we get on. It's quite windy, well, not windy, but there's quite a breeze, shall we say. It's gusting a wee bit, so we'll just see how we get on, I think. There's a bright thing keeps coming out from the other side of those white fluffy things. Very unusual. Not sure what it is. Not seen it before. Okay, so yeah, see? Oh, might actually be shadows here. Look, see, look at that, shadows. Okay. Gee whiz, this thing does go. There ain't going to be any problem flipping either, I don't think. It's just killing that power. Yeah, she'll sort of roll over quite happily, I think. Let's put it up in high rates. Yeah, look at her go. Yeah, those props are actually giving it a bit of... I don't quite know how to describe it, but it just... because there's no weight underneath, I suppose, and the props are so large. Perhaps it's not really designed for this, but hey, whatever. You can see how twitchy it is, though. It's lovely. Perhaps if I put more aggressive props on it, it'll do even better. Yeah, you see, even when you kill it, it's just going to do nothing. It just does a real gentle spin because it's got no... Yeah, all it's doing is still tumbling down. You can still recover it, but it's... No, I thought it'd be more fun than that. A tarantula's better at doing flips and everything. This is just a tumble, this is no good at all. Oh well, it's not really designed for it, is it? Mind you, I'm hard to use. I just realised I'm hardly using any throttle to keep it. I love the way it almost flips. If we could just kill that power, we would be laughing. Literally, they're below half power. Keep it hovering. And it's holding it nice. Hey, we got one. Hey, that's a bit better way of doing it. Yeah. Perhaps it rolls better than it pitches, I don't know. Hey, barrel rolls. Well, it certainly does. God, that wind is quite warm. Probably getting it on the mic actually. Why? And it's holding it alright. I like it. Hey, we can do them. Look. Hey, get in there eventually. Oh, it's quite neat. Hey, they're not bad. Come on. I've done worse. There we go. Oh dear. Well, that actually Killed it that time. Now that was a fair old drop. Huh. I don't know what happened there. I deserved that actually. Oh, I was just getting the hang of it. You actually need roll, pitch and yaw, and then it really starts to flip. Oh yeah, I don't know what happened there. Yeah, just need to a few more elastic bands I think. Just see whether this will start. Oops, let's just put it somewhere where it's going to grass. I won't actually fly it because, to be honest, it's taken quite a batter in there. Yeah, it's fine. Won't fly it. Why the hell did I say that? It's cracked the case and everything. Yeah. Shouldn't have killed the props there, should I, over that? There we go. That took a fair old hammering and it's still flying and it's still okay. That's where it took the full impact, right there. All it's done is pop everything off. So I'll just crack it open when we get home and I'll have a look. But no, actually, it does spin. You almost need to be full pitch and roll, which is about there. And then actually if you yaw it as well, then you get a real twist with it, and that's what I was getting into, but I don't know why it killed the throttle. Some reason. We've got flashing LEDs, there's no power. Could be anything I suppose. Okay, so there we go, that was fun.